Hi guys, welcome to
Feed Me Good!
We have received a lot of requests to add voice to our channel, so we will be trying it out for some time. Today we'll be making amazing cheesy vegetable bread rolls, and we start right now. In a bowl, add half cup chopped boiled potatoes, half cup chopped cucumbers, half cup chopped onions, half cup chopped capsicum, half cup chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves, salt as required, half teaspoon black pepper powder. Then we will add 3/4 cup of cheese. I have used Amul's diced cheese blend. Mix all the ingredients together. Do not use your hands for this, as your body heat will make the vegetables release more water. You can also add any vegetables of your choice. And add more or less cheese as per your taste. If you don't have cheese, you can also add paneer, but cheese tastes better in this recipe. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a recipe. Now take a few slices of bread. Also, quickly please leave a comment and let us know if you're enjoying our new voice format. Cut the edges. This is an optional step, but it makes it easier to shape the bread rolls. Make breadcrumbs of the sides. Take water in a plate. Avoid using a bowl. Dip one side of the bread in water. We want to soak the bread a little, but not make it completely wet. Gently squeeze out the excess water. Repeat this with the other bread slices. Make sure to soak the sides of the bread as well. Now take the first slice of bread that you have soaked and add our filling in the center. We are adding around 1.5 tablespoons of the filling. Fold the bread from the opposite edges and roll it in between your hands. Make sure to seal the bread well, or else it will crack open while frying. If you see a crack in the bread, just put a small piece of soaked bread on top of the crack and roll it well. We prefer the cylindrical shape, but you can also roll it into a ball. That is a little easier. Heat oil in a vessel. Make sure the oil is extremely hot before adding the bread rolls, or else the bread rolls will soak a lot of oil. We will test it by adding a piece of bread. It is bubbling well and floating. That means our oil is at a perfect temperature. Now add the bread rolls. And keep turning it in between to get even browning. Since we have soaked our bread in water, you will notice that the bread will not absorb oil but just fry well. Therefore, soaking the bread is really important. Once the bread has browned, remove it from the oil and repeat the process. This makes a great breakfast or snack item. The outer layer is super crispy and the inner filling is just fantastic. Serve it immediately with coriander chutney and tomato sauce. Do give this a try, everyone is going to love it. Leave a thumbs up if you liked the video or a thumbs down in case you didn't. Don't forget to check out other recipes on our channel and share it with family and friends.